Let's delve into two more powerful principles of persuasion: social proof and consistency. These principles, deeply rooted in human behavior, can significantly impact our ability to influence others and achieve our goals. Firstly, let's explore the concept of social proof. Social proof is a phenomenon often observed in charity or fundraising events, where individuals are persuaded to support a cause based on the actions of others. Think about it when someone asks, "Who else is supporting this cause?" or "Who else has donated?" They're seeking validation from those who have already contributed. People are naturally inclined to align themselves with groups or individuals who share similar beliefs or behaviors. For instance, if a well-known public figure endorses a specific charity, others may feel compelled to support it as well, driven by the social proof that it's a worthy cause. Similarly, personal experiences can serve as a powerful form of social proof. Consider a scenario where an individual participates in a fundraising event and shares the involvement with others. The enthusiasm and passion they exude can be contagious, inspiring others to join in or contribute. This demonstrates the influence of social proof in mobilizing support and rallying individuals around a common cause. In my own experience, I participated in the Ride to Conquer Cancer, a significant fundraising event aimed at supporting cancer research. By openly sharing my participation and enthusiasm for the cause, I was able to inspire others to join me. Through word of mouth and personal influence, we were able to galvanize a team of 27 riders and raise an impressive sum of $28,000. This serves as a compelling example of how social proof can mobilize collective action and drive meaningful outcomes. Next, let's consider the principle of consistency. Humans are creatures of habit, inclined to maintain consistency in their actions and decisions. Once someone has committed to a particular course of action, they are more likely to adhere to it in the future. This principle holds true in various contexts, whether it's revisiting past decisions or maintaining ongoing relationships. For instance, in a workplace setting, decision makers may be more inclined to approve budget allocations or marketing campaigns if they've done so in the past. By appealing to their sense of consistency, we can reinforce previous commitments and increase the likelihood of continued support. Similarly, in customer relations, consistent and reliable service can foster loyalty and repeat business. By delivering consistent value and maintaining high standards, we can cultivate lasting relationships with customers and secure their continued patronage. In essence, the principle of consistency highlights the importance of building trust and reliability in our interactions. By aligning our actions with our commitments and demonstrating steadfastness over time, we can establish credibility and influence others' behavior. As we continue our exploration of persuasion principles, we'll delve into two additional concepts: authority and scarcity. These principles offer further insights into the dynamics of influence and provide valuable strategies for achieving our communication goals. Join us in the next lecture as we uncover the power of authority and scarcity in persuasive communication. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.